There are 7 days in a week. Let's learn them, come, let's speak. S is for Sunday, a day of rest. Time to play and feel our best.
M is for Monday, the first school day.
Time to learn and work and play.
T is for Tuesday, second in line. A great new day, feeling fine. W is for Wednesday, number 3. Halfway done, yippee, yippee. Is for Thursday, 4th in a row. The weekend's near, let's go, go, go. Is for Friday, day number 5. Fun is coming, we feel alive. Is for Saturday, time to cheer. The weekend's here, let's laugh and hear. Now we know the day's just right. Say them loud, say them bright. We feel alive.